So Matomati, when you first started playing, it was what, 1980 something?
1981.
1981. And you've told us the story where you've learned from your dreams.
Yes, from my dream. Because my dream is I dream in 1976.
Okay.
1976. I dream bellows. From 1977. I was not playing beer. 78 I was not playing beer. 79. 1908 I was in Iraq. On my bed, I was sleeping on my bed with my uncle. I wake up from the bed. So I'm dreaming, but I wake up from the bed. I took a plate. I started playing.
Okay, on the plate.
On the plate.
All right.
But me, I'm playing beer on my dream.
Yeah.
But my uncle, what are you doing? They shake me. The first see me, I'm playing. Just do like this, the plate. Esther, my wife, on the first day, I just hold him, his back.
While you're sleeping?
Yeah, I'm sleeping in my dream. Because that dream I see about three old men. They had white hair like this. There was a big pot of beer, big like this. Mukombe and a plate on top, a wooden plate. They said, come here. I was walking. They said, come. And I listened to them. I said, how? We are all right. So, just take that mkombe and take the beer and give us. Then I take the mkombe, I open them, and I take that, just take the beer. They said, you first drink. Then I drink. I take the other. I said, so all of you are old. So who is big? I want to first give the big one. The point. Give that one. I give. I pour one on. I say, which one again? That one. I give them. Last, I give them the last one. I give them. For the time, I go back to put that wooden plate and that mkombe on top. I put it there. For the time I look back, I see this thing with the beer and rukukwe. They said, go and sit there. What do you want? Go and play. I want you to play beer. Sure, man. So I play like I play already. I play sure. But the day I was just starting to do it in the house. That's the end there. And I play. Esther, he didn't shake me. He just leave me there. And he pushed up. Then I was playing. Then I play Karim Chifua. I finish Karim Chifua. Then I pray Kuyajawa. I play 3 songs. Then he said, play yours. I go back to play Kuyajawa again. I play that. I finish for the time I put it down. To go to find what? That pot for beer to give them. I said the pot, there is no pot, no anything. There is no anything here. I come back to look those old men. I didn't see anyone. Where are these people gone? I see only this. So I was supposed to go to take this mbira. The mbira they was pushing with the rukugwe. Started to push, to move. I started to run, to start to catch. I didn't catch them. They was moving to go. So that I was trying. I was starting to shake each and every day, shaking. No eat. Once I eat, I vomit. Once I drink water, vomit. I take about a week. Anything and not to eat. I come to my father and told my father. On the day we come from Dendera, they said, you must go and ask your father to buy you mbira. When they buy mbira, you are going to be what? To come strong. There is no any disease, no anything is affected. But once you buy mbira, your tradition, they need mbira. I said, okay. When you are going, there is rain coming and what? And raining in the road. Then I come from Dendera with my wife. Sure, the rain, they started to rain. On that near 10 of Nkar, we're there. When we go in on the corner there. Near that river, this river. On top of that, the rain starts raining. I reach here, I told my father, he ignored. I start again to shake. I shake. Then my father just said, no, we are going to find, just leave him. We are going, once I see mbira, I go to bar. When I buy mbira, then I'll tell you, I buy his mbira. Then I didn't start, I started to eat now. No shaking, no one. For the time, that is 1980. 1981. I come. I was in Harare. From here, I go to Harare. From 1981, I come here in July. In March, 17 March, I come here. I reach home. I stay. I take about April. Then someone comes said, you need mbira? And I said, yes. I said, yes, I needed the beer. I go and take it for your grandfather. I go there to Mr. Zuru. Near the garage place. That we go to garage there. Then I go and fetch those beers. There was not any real tune. I took it, I started to tune them. I didn't go for a tune, but I tuned all of those. Then I finished tuning, I started to play. I started to play seats and wash. For the day I play those, I didn't sleep. I took the whole night playing beer with my father and my mom. Okay. Yeah. On the next day, there's some person they come to say they pay about $5. Said we need this one. We go for beer. Going to play beer.
You played for the bira one day after you got there?
Yes, I go to the beer. Then I play the whole night. So I play from that